Today we're going to build an Instagram AI appointment setter using one of the newest models on the market that has taken the world by storm, which is Gemini 3. I'm going to show you exactly how to build an AI agent based on Gemini 3 and integrate it into your Instagram inbox so that it can set appointments for your business on autopilot. And the best part is all of the templates and everything I'm showing you in this video, I'm going to give to you absolutely for free. Now, the first thing you're going to need is sign up to N8N, and if you don't have an account yet, you can get a 14-day free trial using the link down below in the description. Once you've done that, go ahead and find the free template for the N8N flow on screen right here down below in the description and download the file. You can then simply go ahead and click on create workflow inside of your N8N, click on the three dots and click on import from file. Here you can go ahead and select the file that you just downloaded, open it up, and it's going to bring you this flow on screen right here. Now, what goes on in this flow is pretty simple. We receive a webhook from Instagram to get the message. We then set up some API keys, set up the prompt values, which are going to determine the behavior of the AI using the proven prompt framework that we use for over 100 Instagram accounts that we manage. The AI setter then goes ahead and generates the response using Gemini 3. This flow also has the option to have a human handover, so you can specify specific reasons in which case the AI will hand over the conversation to a human and stop responding. And finally, we remove any AI identifiers such as the M dashes so that the messages cannot be identified as AI messages, and we then go ahead and send the message back to the user. Now, once you've imported this flow, there's going to be a couple things that we need to do, but first things first, we're going to connect it to Google Gemini. For this, simply go to aistudio.google.com, and here you're going to be able to set up your API key so that you can start using Gemini 3 via the API. Now, if you don't know what Gemini 3 is, if you go to the build section, you can go to the gallery and people are building the most insane websites, apps, etc. But for this use case, we're going to have it actually handle conversations for us and see how it performs. For this, simply go to the bottom left-hand corner and click on Get API Key. Here you can go ahead and click on Create API Key. Name the key in whatever way you want. In this case, I'm going to name it Emil YouTube Video, and go ahead and select the cloud project. You can either select an existing one or create a new project if you don't have one yet. Once you clicked on Create Key, you're going to need to set up your billing. So simply go ahead and click on Set Up Billing and connect your card. I believe everybody currently gets $300 in free trial credits, which is the case for me right now, but go ahead and set up the billing just in case so that the actual API requests work. You can then go ahead and click on the key, copy out the API key, and go back into N8N, where we're going to go to the Google Gemini chat model node. Double click that. We're going to click on the drop down and click on create new credential. We're going to go ahead and name it whatever we want to name it. I'm going to name it Emil YouTube Tutorial December. We're then going to paste the API key that we just copied into this field right here and click on save. If it says connection tested successfully, that means you did everything correctly up until this point, and we can close this out. And we're now going to make sure that we have the model Gemini 3 Pro Preview selected. So that's the model that we're going to be using to run our AI. Now that we've successfully connected Gemini 3, we're going to go ahead and set up ManyChat. ManyChat is what we're going to be using to actually receive and send the messages on Instagram. It's the most powerful automation tool for Instagram DMs in the world. And I have a ton of videos on this channel showing you how you can use ManyChat with different AI use cases to make more money inside of your business. You can go ahead and get the free trial using the link down below in the description. And once you've signed up to ManyChat, you can go to the free resource that I've linked below in the description and go ahead and get the ManyChat template, which is going to bring you to this screen right here. Simply go ahead and click on Save to ManyChat and select the specific Instagram account that you want to save it to. Now, what is important to note is that you need the Pro plan in order to make this work. It costs $15 a month, and without this, you won't be able to send the data to N8N and receive the response back. Now, once you've imported the template, simply go to your automation section and find the AI flow YouTube video template. We can go ahead and open that up, which is going to show us this flow right here. What we do in this flow is we receive the messages, we process them so that we bundle multiple messages together and reply to all of them at once, and we then send that message to the N8N flow, at which point it gets processed using Gemini 3 and we actually send the response back. Now, we're going to get into prompting this in a second, but before we do, we're going to need to go ahead and set up some keys. So if you click on the set keys section at the beginning, you're going to see the ManyChat API key. So that's the first thing we're going to get. We're going to go back into ManyChat, click on settings, scroll down and find the API. And here we're going to go ahead and copy out the API key or click on generate API key if you don't have one yet. We're going to go ahead and paste that into the value field right here. And next, we're going to set up the AI active tag, which determines when the AI is turned on, and the human handover tag, which is added when the AI shuts itself off so that you can easily filter for those people inside of ManyChat. For this, we're going to go back to ManyChat and find the tags. And here we're going to hover over the AI active tag and copy out the tag ID. We're then going to go back into N8N and paste it into the AI active tag field. Next, we're going to look for the human handover tag. We're going to hover over that and copy out the tag ID, go back into N8N and paste it into the human handover tag field. Now, with that being done, the final thing that we need to do before we integrate this is to actually adjust the prompt. Now, I've made this incredibly easy for you because the setter itself, if you click on that and you expand it using this little arrow, has a prompt framework. And inside this prompt framework, we have specific variables. And these variables, if we just exit out of here, are inside the set prompt values field. So if you open this up, you will get pre-filled values based on myself, which you can simply adjust for your specific use case. This includes the name of the AI, the backstory, the company name, business description, response plan instructions, which is the biggest one, which essentially has the entire plan on how to respond, meaning the script and what to do. We have response rules, which give specific rules for what we want it to do inside of the conversation. We have knowledge that we can add into the AI. We have the style, which is how the AI talks, and the handover reasons. Now, you can simply go ahead and take the framework that I have here and adjust it for your specific business. And once you've done that, the AI should be good to go. Now, I'm going to show you exactly how you can test it and tweak it further over time, so don't worry about that for now. Once we've done all of that, we're going to go ahead and click on save and click on activate. And this is now going to turn on this flow right here. Now, the first thing we're going to do is now hook this up to ManyChat so that we can actually test it. And don't worry, it's not going to be live yet. For this, we're going to click on the main webhook, click on production URL, and copy out this URL right here. We're then going to go back into ManyChat, go to automation, and find the template that we just imported. Go ahead and click on edit. And important to note is, in this case, I have a default reply set up. I'm going to turn that off. And you're going to have a trigger for message contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside of this flow by default. This means in order to test it, we can DM our account any message and just add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in order to trigger this flow. Now, what we're going to do with the webhook URL that we just copied is go to this N8N flow node right here, click on that, open it up. We're simply going to delete the placeholder URL that's right there, and we're going to paste in this new URL that we just copied out. We're then going to go ahead and click on save and update. Now the AI is implemented into the account, but only when somebody writes a message containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is what we're going to be using to test. So I'm going to go ahead and start up a new conversation. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, how are you? If we go into ManyChat and go to the live chat, we're going to be able to see that this message was received. As you can see, it came in, and now the AI is starting to do its thing. And if we go back into N8N and click on executions, and we're going to be able to see inside the execution that we now have an execution running, which is for the message that we just received, which succeeded within 11 seconds. And if we wait for the execution history here to load, we can see that the AI setter got the input saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hey, how are you? And output, doing well, what are you currently working on? So it's starting up the conversation based on all of the prompt values that I've set right here. If we go into ManyChat, we go to the conversation, we can see that this message was actually sent out to the account. And if we pull up Instagram, we can see that the message was received. I can now keep testing by just repeating the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and say, I'm currently building the best Instagram CRM in the world DM tracker, send that message, and it's going to go through the same flow, and we're going to get a reply back here in a second. And boom, we got the reply back from the AI, and all of these messages are generated by Gemini 3, and I personally think it's really human-like. So once you run through a full conversation, you're going to see it does really well, especially compared to models from OpenAI like GPT 4.1, which is still the most popular one that we use for all the projects that we build. Now, while you're testing this, if you want to reset the test, you would simply go to ManyChat, delete the content, contact, and now it will give me a fresh slate for when I DM the account again and I restart the conversation, it would start from scratch. Now, if I wanted to have this automation run for new contacts only and not respond to all messages on my Instagram account, I would simply have to disconnect this right here and connect it down here, and then only people with the tag AI active would actually receive a response from the AI. In that case, we would go ahead and set up the automation, click on new automation, start from scratch, start with a blank. And here we would have a trigger for the contact event, new contact created, after which we would go ahead and add an action to add the tag AI active to every single new contact. This would now enable the automation and the AI to respond to every single new contact, but there's one final missing element for which we need to go to settings, Instagram, and select the default reply. The default reply will allow every single message to actually trigger the AI without us adding in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for this, we're going to click on select existing. We're going to select the flow that we've imported, click on pick this automation. We can click here to go directly into the automation. From here, we would simply go to the trigger, click on default reply, and make sure it's selected as every time. Now, every single message that you receive on Instagram is going to go through this flow if they have the tag AI active. If you just wanted to reply to any message regardless, you can simply connect it up like this. We also use an Instagram CRM called DM Tracker to actually track all conversations, get reply rates, and do so many cool things, as well as have an overview of who ghosted us and who we need to follow up with over time. And if you want a full breakdown on this tool and how it works, I'm going to link it down below in the description, but it really brings the AI together. So if you sign up for the free 14-day trial of DM Tracker, you would then have the imported from DM Tracker automation flow inside of your ManyChat, at which point you could click on the DM Tracker connection flow, click on edit, and copy out this external request node. And we can go ahead and add that into the AI flow YouTube video template that you've imported. And now every single conversation that we have is going to be tracked inside of DM Tracker so that we never miss a single lead again. So we can simply hook it up like this and click on save. The use cases for this tool are incredible, so I'm going to link a video down below on how we currently do outreach to new followers on Instagram and split test message variations and see the reply rates by different message reasons inside of DM Tracker so that we can optimize everything over time. And you now have a fully functioning AI appointment setter using Gemini 3 inside of your Instagram inbox. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to have a chat to see if you want to work with us so we can give you the results that we've delivered for over 100 coaches and consultants on Instagram so far, go ahead, schedule in the call using the link down below in the description.